Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put picture in Excel cell background. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to put picture in Excel cell background. At first, select your sheet. Now I am select my sheet. Then go to the page layout menu and select the background option. Then select work of line and choose a picture from our file. Now I am select a picture. Then click OK. We can see we put picture in cell background easily. The all cell have a background is picture. You can write anything, otherwise make any work. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.